Chapter 3 Matrices. Introduction. The knowledge of matrices is necessary in various branches of mathematics. Matrices are one of the most powerful tools in mathematics. This mathematical tool simplifies our work to a great extent when compared with other straightforward methods. The evolution of concept of matrices is the result of an attempt to obtain compact and simple methods of solving system of linear equations. Matrices are not only used as a representation of the coefficients in system of linear equations, but utility of matrices far exceeds that use. Matrix notation and operations are used in electronic spreadsheet programs for personal computer, which in turn is used in different areas of business and science like budgeting, sales projection, cost estimation, analyzing the results of an experiment, etc. Also, many physical operations such as magnification, rotation, and reflection through a plane can be represented mathematically by matrices. Matrices are also used in cryptography. This mathematical tool is not only used in certain branches of sciences, but also in genetics, economics, sociology, modern psychology, and industrial management. Matrix. Suppose we wish to express the information that Radha has 15 notebooks. We may express it as in square bracket 15 with the understanding that the number inside square bracket is the number of notebooks that Radha has. Now, if we have to express that Radha has 15 notebooks and 6 pens, we may express it as in square bracket 15 6 with the understanding that first number inside square bracket is the number of notebooks, while the other one is the number of pens possessed by Radha. Let us now suppose that we wish to express the information of possession of notebooks and pens by Radha and her two friends Fozia and Simran, which is as follows. Radha has 15 notebooks and 6 pens. Fozia has 10 notebooks and 2 pens. Simran has 13 notebooks and 5 pens. Now, this could be arranged in the tabular form as follows. In the first arrangement, the entries in the first column represent the number of notebooks possessed by Radha, Fozia, and Simran respectively, and the entries in the second column represent the number of pens possessed by Radha, Fozia, and Simran respectively. Similarly, in the second arrangement, the entries in the first row represent the number of notebooks possessed by Radha, Fozia, and Simran respectively. The entries in the second row represent the number of pens possessed by Radha, Fozia, and Simran respectively. An arrangement or display of the above kind is called a matrix. Formally, we define matrix as definition 1. A matrix is an ordered rectangular array of numbers or functions. The numbers or functions are called the elements or the entries of the matrix. We denote matrices by capital letters. The following are some examples of matrices. A is equal to matrix -2, 5, 0, square root of 5, 3, 6. B is equal to matrix 2 plus I, 3, minus 1 upon 2, 3.5, minus 1, 2. Square root of 3, 5, 5 upon 7. C is equal to matrix 1 plus x, x cube, 3. Cos x, sin x plus 2, tan x. In the above examples, the horizontal lines of elements are said to constitute rows of the matrix and the vertical lines of elements are said to constitute columns of the matrix. Thus, A has 3 rows and 2 columns. B has 3 rows and 3 columns, while C has 2 rows and 3 columns. Order of a matrix. A matrix having m rows and n columns is called a matrix of order m cross n or simply m by n matrix. So, referring to the above examples of matrices, we have A as 3 by 2 matrix, B as 3 by 3 matrix and C as 2 by 3 matrix. We observe that A has 3 into 2 is equal to 6 elements. B and C have 9 and 6 elements respectively. In general, an m by n matrix has the following rectangular array. Matrix A11, A12, A13 up to A1j up to A1n, A21, A22, A23 up to A2j up to A2n, up to AI1, AI2, AI3 up to Aij up to Ain, up to AM1, AM2, AM3 up to AMJ up to AMN, m by n, or A is equal to matrix Aij m by n, where 1 is less than or equal to I is less than or equal to m. 1 is less than or equal to j is less than or equal to n. I, j belongs to n. Thus, the ith row consists of the elements AI1, AI2, AI3 up to AIN, while the jth column consists of the elements A1j, A2j, A3j up to AMJ. In general, Aij is an element lying in the ith row and jth column. We can also call it as the ijth element of A. The number of elements in an m by n matrix will be equal to mn. We can also represent any point x, y in a plane by a matrix, column or row as matrix x, y or matrix x, y. For example, point P, 0, 1 as a matrix representation may be given as P is equal to matrix 0, 1 or matrix 0, 1. Observe that in this way we can also express the vertices of a closed rectilinear figure in the form of a matrix. For example, consider a quadrilateral ABCD with vertices A, 1, 0, B, 3, 2, C, 1, 3, D, -1, 2. Now, quadrilateral ABCD in the matrix form can be represented as X is equal to A, B, C, D, matrix 1, 0, 3, 2, 1, 3, -1, 2, 2 by 4, or Y is equal to A, B, C, D, matrix 1, 0, 3, 2, 1, 3, -1, 2, order 4 by 2. Thus, matrices can be used as representation of vertices of geometrical figures in a plane. Example 1. If a matrix has 24 elements, what are its possible order it can have? What if it had 13 elements? Solution. A matrix has 24 elements. The possible orders of matrix are 1 into 24, 24 into 1, 2 into 12, 12 into 2, 3 into 8, 8 into 3, 4 into 6, 6 into 4. If a matrix has 13 elements, then its possible orders are 13 into 1 and 1 into 13. Example 2. Construct a 3 by 2 matrix whose elements are given by Aij is equal to 1 upon 2 into modulus of I minus 3j. Solution. In general, a 3 by 2 matrix is given by A is equal to matrix A11, A12, A21, A22, A31, A32. Now, Aij is equal to 1 upon 2 into modulus of I minus 3j, where I is equal to 1, 2, 3 and j is equal to 1, 2. Therefore, A11 is equal to 1 upon 2 into modulus of 1 minus 3 into 1 is equal to 1. A12 is equal to 1 upon 2 into modulus of 1 minus 3 into 2 is equal to 5 upon 2. A21 is equal to 1 upon 2 into modulus of 2 minus 3 into 1 is equal to 1 upon 2. A22 is equal to 1 upon 2 into modulus of 2 minus 3 into 2 is equal to 2. A31 is equal to 1 upon 2 into modulus of 3 minus 3 into 1 is equal to 0. A32 is equal to 1 upon 2 into modulus of 3 minus 3 into 2 is equal to 3 upon 2. Hence, the required matrix is given by A is equal to matrix 1, 5 upon 2, 1 upon 2, 2, 0, 3 upon 2. Types of matrices. In this section, we shall discuss different types of matrices. Number 1. Column matrix. A matrix is said to be a column matrix if it has only one column. For example, A is equal to matrix 0, root 3, minus 1, 1 upon 2 is a column matrix of order 4 by 1. In general, A is equal to matrix AI1, m by 1 is a column matrix of order m by 1. I is equal to 1, 2, 3 up to m. Number 2. Row matrix. A matrix is said to be a row matrix if it has only one row. For example, B is equal to matrix minus 1 upon 2, root 5, 2, 3, 1 by 4 is a row matrix. In general, B is equal to matrix B1j, 1 by n is a row matrix of order 1 by n. J is equal to 1, 2, 3 up to n. Number 3. Square matrix. A matrix in which the number of rows are equal to the number of columns is said to be a square matrix. Thus, an m by n matrix is said to be a square matrix if m is equal to n and is known as a square matrix of order n. For example, A is equal to matrix 3 minus 1, 0, 3 upon 2, 3 root 2, 1, 4, 3 minus 1 is a square matrix of order 3. In general, A is equal to matrix Aij m by n is a square matrix of order m. Note, if A is equal to matrix Aij is a square matrix of order n, then elements, that is entries A11, A22 up to Amn are said to constitute the diagonal of the matrix A. Thus, if A is equal to matrix 1, minus 3, 1, 2, 4, minus 1, 3, 5, 6, then the elements of the diagonal of A are 1, 4, 6. Number 5. Diagonal matrix. A square matrix B is equal to Bij n by n is said to be a diagonal matrix if all its non-diagonal elements are 0. That is, a matrix B is equal to Bij n by n is said to be a diagonal matrix if Bij is equal to 0 when I is not equal to j. For example, A is equal to matrix 4, B is equal to matrix -1, 0, 0, 2, C is equal to matrix -1.1, 0, 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, 0, 3 are diagonal matrices of order 1, 2, 3 respectively. Number 5. Scalar matrix. A diagonal matrix is said to be a scalar matrix if its diagonal elements are equal. That is, a square matrix B is equal to Bij n by n is said to be a scalar matrix. Bij is equal to 0 when I is not equal to j. Bij is equal to k when I is equal to j for some constant k. For example, A is equal to matrix 3, B is equal to matrix -1, 0, 0, -1, C is equal to matrix √3, 0, 0, 0, √3, 0, 0, 0, √3 are scalar matrices of order 1, 2 and 3 respectively. Number 6. Identity matrix. A square matrix in which elements in the diagonal are all 1 and rest are all 0 is called an identity matrix. In other words, the square matrix A is equal to Aij n by n is an identity matrix. I is equal to j for Aij is equal to 1 and I is not equal to j for Aij is equal to 0. We denote the identity matrix of order n by In. When order is clear from the context, we simply write it as I. For example, matrix 1, matrix 1, 0, 0, 1, matrix 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 are identity matrices of order 1, 2 and 3 respectively. Observe that a scalar matrix is an identity matrix when k is equal to 1, but every identity matrix is clearly a scalar matrix. Number 7. Zero matrix. A matrix is said to be zero matrix or null matrix if all its elements are 0. For example, matrix 0, matrix 0, 0, 0, 0, matrix 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Matrix 0, 0 are all zero matrices. We denote zero matrix by 0. Its order will be clear from the context. Equality of matrices. Definition 2. Two matrices A is equal to Aij and B is equal to Bij are said to be equal if number 1. They are of the same order. Number 2. Each element of A is equal to the corresponding element of B. That is, Aij is equal to Bij for all I and j. For example, matrix 2, 3, 0, 1 and matrix 2, 3, 0, 1 are equal matrices. But matrix 3, 2, 0, 1 and matrix 2, 3, 0, 1 are not equal matrices. Symbolically, if two matrices A and B are equal, we write A is equal to B. If matrices X, Y, Z, A, B, C is equal to matrix minus 1.5, 0, 2, root 6, 3, 2. Then x is equal to minus 1.5, y is equal to 0, z is equal to 2, a is equal to root 6, b is equal to 3, c is equal to 2. Example 1. Find the values of x, y and z from the following equation. Matrix x plus y 2, 5 plus z xy is equal to matrix 6, 2, 5, 8. Solution. Since both the matrices are equal, so their corresponding elements are also equal. Compare the values of the corresponding elements. X plus y is equal to 6. Equation 1. 5 plus z is equal to 5, which implies that z is equal to 0. Xy is equal to 8, which implies that y is equal to 8 upon x. From equation 1, x plus 8 upon x is equal to 6. Therefore, x square minus 6x plus 8 is equal to 0. Therefore, x minus 4 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 4, x is equal to 2. If x is equal to 4, then y is equal to 8 upon 4 is equal to 2. If x is equal to 2, then y is equal to 8 upon 2 is equal to 4. Thus, x is equal to 4, y is equal to 2, z is equal to 0. Or x is equal to 2, y is equal to 4, z is equal to 0. Example 2. Find the values of a, b, c and d in the following equation. Matrix 2a plus b, a minus 2b, 5c minus d, 4c plus 3d is equal to matrix 4 minus 3, 11, 24. Solution. By equality of two matrices equating elements, we get 2a plus b is equal to 4. 5c minus d is equal to 11. A minus 2b is equal to minus 3. 4c plus 3d is equal to 24. From 2a plus b is equal to 4, b is equal to 4 minus 2a. Equation 1. From a minus 2b is equal to minus 3, a is equal to minus 3 plus 2b. Equation 2. Putting the value of equation 2 in equation 1. b is equal to 4 minus 2 into minus 3 plus 2b. Therefore, b is equal to 4 plus 6 minus 4b. Therefore, b plus 4b is equal to 10. Therefore, 5b is equal to 10. Therefore, b is equal to 10 upon 5. Therefore, b is equal to 2. Putting the value of b in equation 2. a is equal to minus 3 plus 2 into 2 is equal to minus 3 plus 4. Therefore, a is equal to 1. Now, from 5c minus d is equal to 11. 5c is equal to 11 plus d. Therefore, c is equal to 11 plus d upon 5. Equation 3. From 4c plus 3d is equal to 24. Therefore, d is equal to 24 minus 4c upon 3. Equation 4. Putting the value of equation 4 in equation 3. c is equal to 11 plus 24 minus 4c upon 3 upon 5. Therefore, c is equal to 33 plus 24 minus 4c upon 15. Therefore, 15c is equal to 33 plus 24 minus 4c. Therefore, 15c plus 4c is equal to 33 plus 24. Therefore, 19c is equal to 57. Therefore, c is equal to 3. Putting the value of c in equation 4. d is equal to 24 minus 4 into 3 upon 3 is equal to 24 minus 12 upon 3. Therefore, D is equal to 4. So, we get A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, C is equal to 3 and D is equal to 4. Operations on matrices. In this section, we shall introduce certain operations on matrices, namely addition of matrices, multiplication of a matrix by a scalar, difference and multiplication of matrices. Addition of matrices. Suppose Fatima has two factories at places A and B. Each factory produces sport shoes for boys and girls in three different price categories labeled 1, 2 and 3. The quantities produced by each factory are represented as matrices given below. Factory at A. Boys, girls. 1, 2, 3. Matrix 80, 60, 75, 65, 90, 85. Factory at B. Boys, girls. 1, 2, 3. Matrix 90, 50, 70, 55, 75, 75. Suppose Fatima wants to know the total production of sport shoes in each price category. Then the total production in category 1 for boys 80 plus 90, for girls 60 plus 50. In category 2 for boys 75 plus 70, for girls 65 plus 55. In category 3 for boys 90 plus 75, for girls 85 plus 75. This can be represented in the matrix form as matrix 80 plus 90, 60 plus 50, 75 plus 70, 65 plus 55, 90 plus 75, 85 plus 75. This new matrix is the sum of the above two matrices. We observe that the sum of two matrices is a matrix obtained by adding the corresponding elements of the given matrices. Furthermore, the two matrices have to be of the same order. Thus, if A is equal to matrix A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23 is a 2 by 3 matrix, and B is equal to matrix B11, B12, B13, B21, B22, B23 is another 2 by 3 matrix. Then we define A plus B is equal to matrix A11 plus B11, A12 plus B12, A13 plus B13, A21 plus B21, A22 plus B22, A23 plus B23. In general, if A is equal to matrix Aij and B is equal to matrix Bij are two matrices of the same order, say M by N. Then the sum of the two matrices A and B is defined as a matrix C is equal to Cij M by N, where Cij is equal to Aij plus Bij for all possible values of I and j. Example 1. If A is equal to matrix 2, 4, 3, 2, B is equal to matrix 1, 3, minus 2, 5. Find A plus B. Solution: A plus B is equal to matrix 2, 4, 3, 2 plus matrix 1, 3, minus 2, 5 is equal to matrix 2 plus 1, 4 plus 3, 3 minus 2, 2 plus 5 is equal to matrix 3, 7, 1, 7. Note number 1. We emphasize that if A and B are not of the same order, then A plus B is not defined. For example, if A is equal to matrix 2, 3, 1, 0, B is equal to matrix 1, 2, 3, 1, 0, 1. Then A plus B is not defined. Number 2, we may observe that addition of matrices is an example of binary operation on the set of matrices of the same order. Multiplication of a matrix by a scalar. Now, suppose that Fatima has doubled the production at a factory A in all categories. Previously, quantities in standard units produced by factory A were boys, girls, 1, 2, 3, matrix 80, 60, 75, 65, 90, 85. Revised quantities produced by factory A are as given below. Boys, girls, 1, 2, 3, matrix 2 into 80, 2 into 60, 2 into 75, 2 into 65, 2 into 90, 2 into 85. This can be represented in the matrix form as matrix 160, 120, 150, 130, 180, 170. We observe that the new matrix is obtained by multiplying each element of the previous matrix by 2. In general, we may define multiplication of a matrix by a scalar as follows. If A is equal to matrix Aij m by n is a matrix and K is a scalar, then Ka is another matrix which is obtained by multiplying each element of A by the scalar K. In other words, Ka is equal to K into matrix Aij m by n is equal to matrix K into Aij m by n. That is, ijth element of Ka is Kaij for all possible values of I and j. For example, if A is equal to matrix 3, 1, 1.5, root 5, 7, minus 3, 2, 0, 5, then 3A is equal to 3 into matrix 3, 1, 1.5, root 5, 7, minus 3, 2, 0, 5 is equal to matrix 9, 3, 4.5, 3, root 5, 21, minus 9, 6, 0, 15. Negative of a matrix. The negative of a matrix is denoted by minus A. We define minus A is equal to minus 1 into A. For example, let A is equal to matrix 3, 1, minus 5, x. Then minus A is given by minus A is equal to minus 1 into A is equal to minus 1 into matrix 3, 1, minus 5, x is equal to matrix minus 3, minus 1, 5, minus x. Difference of matrices. If A is equal to matrix Aij, B is equal to matrix Bij are two matrices of the same order, say m by n. Then difference A minus B is defined as a matrix D is equal to Dij, where Dij is equal to Aij minus Bij for all values of I and j. In other words, D is equal to A minus B is equal to A plus minus 1 into B. That is sum of the matrix A and the matrix minus B. Example 2. If A is equal to matrix 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1 and B is equal to matrix 3, minus 1, 3, minus 1, 0, 2. Then find 2A minus B. Solution: 2A minus B is equal to 2 into matrix 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1 minus matrix 3, minus 1, 3 minus 1 0 2 is equal to matrix 2 4 6 4 6 2 plus matrix minus 3 1 minus 3 1 0 minus 2 is equal to matrix 2 minus 3 4 plus 1 6 minus 3 4 plus 1 6 plus 0 2 minus 2 is equal to matrix minus 1 5 3 5 6 0. Properties of matrix addition. The addition of matrices satisfy the following properties. Number 1. Commutative law. If A is equal to matrix Aij, B is equal to matrix Bij are matrices of the same order, say m by n, then A plus B is equal to B plus A. Now, A plus B is equal to matrix Aij plus matrix Bij is equal to matrix Aij plus Bij is equal to matrix Bij plus Aij. Addition of numbers is commutative is equal to matrix Bij plus matrix Aij is equal to B plus A. Number 2. Associative law. For any three matrices, A is equal to matrix Aij, B is equal to matrix Bij, C is equal to matrix Cij of the same order, say m by n. In bracket A plus B plus C is equal to A plus in bracket B plus C. Now, in bracket A plus B plus C is equal to in bracket matrix Aij plus matrix Bij plus matrix Cij is equal to matrix in bracket Aij plus Bij plus Cij is equal to matrix Aij plus in bracket Bij plus Cij is equal to matrix Aij plus matrix in bracket Bij plus Cij is equal to matrix Aij plus in bracket matrix Bij plus matrix Cij is equal to A plus in bracket B plus C. Number 3. Existence of additive identity. Let A is equal to matrix Aij be an m by n matrix and O be an m by n 0 matrix. Then A plus O is equal to O plus A is equal to A. In other words, O is the additive identity for matrix addition. Number 4. The existence of additive inverse. Let A is equal to matrix Aij m by n be any matrix. Then we have another matrix as minus A is equal to matrix minus Aij m by n such that A plus minus A is equal to minus A plus A is equal to 0. So, minus A is the additive inverse of A or negative of A. Properties of scalar multiplication of a matrix. If A is equal to matrix Aij and B is equal to matrix Bij be two matrices of the same order, say m by n, and K and L are scalars, then number 1 K into in bracket A plus B is equal to Ka plus Kb. Number 2 in bracket K plus L into A is equal to Ka into La. Number 1 K into in bracket A plus B is equal to K into in bracket matrix Aij plus matrix Bij is equal to K into matrix Aij plus Bij is equal to matrix K into in bracket Aij plus Bij is equal to matrix Kaij plus Kbij is equal to matrix Kaij plus matrix Kbij. is equal to K into matrix Aij plus K into matrix Bij is equal to Ka plus Kb. Number 2, in bracket K plus L into A is equal to in bracket K plus L into matrix Aij is equal to matrix in bracket K plus L into Aij is equal to matrix Kaij plus Laij is equal to matrix Kaij plus matrix Laij is equal to K into matrix Aij plus L into matrix Aij is equal to Ka plus La. Example 1. If A is equal to matrix 8, 0, 4, minus 2, 3, 6 and B is equal to matrix 2, minus 2, 4, 2, minus 5, 1. Then find the matrix X such that 2A plus 3X is equal to 5B. Solution. We have 2A plus 3X is equal to 5B or 2A plus 3X minus 2A is equal to 5B minus 2A or 2A minus 2A plus 3X is equal to 5B minus 2A. Matrix addition is commutative. Or 0 plus 3X is equal to 5B minus 2A. Minus 2A is the additive inverse of 2A. Or 3X is equal to 5B minus 2A. 0 is the additive identity. Or X is equal to 1 upon 3 into 5B minus 2A. Or X is equal to 1 upon 3 into in bracket 5 into matrix 2 minus 2 4 2 minus 5 1 minus 2 into matrix 8 0 4 minus 2 3 6 is equal to 1 upon 3 into in bracket matrix 10 minus 10 20 10 minus 25 5 plus matrix minus 16 0 minus 8 4 minus 6 minus 12 is equal to 1 upon 3 into matrix 10 minus 16 minus 10 plus 0 20 minus 8 10 plus 4 minus 25 minus 6 5 minus 12 is equal to 1 upon 3 into matrix minus 6 minus 10 12 14 minus 31 minus 7 is equal to matrix minus 2 minus 10 upon 3 4 14 upon 3 minus 31 upon 3 minus 7 upon 3. Example 2. Find x and y if x plus y is equal to matrix 7 0 2 5 and x minus y is equal to matrix 3 0 0 3. Solution. X plus y is equal to matrix 7 0 2 5. Equation 1. X minus y is equal to matrix 3 0 0 3. Equation 2. Add both expressions 1 plus 2, which implies that in bracket x plus y plus in bracket x minus y is equal to matrix 7 0 2 5 plus matrix 3 0 0 3, which implies that x plus y plus x minus y is equal to matrix 10 0 2 8, which implies that 2x is equal to matrix 10 0 2 8, which implies that x is equal to 1 upon 2 into matrix 10 0 2 8 is equal to matrix 5 0 1 4. Equation 1 minus 2, which implies that in bracket x plus y minus in bracket x minus y is equal to matrix 7, 0, 2, 5 minus matrix 3, 0, 0, 3, which implies that x plus y minus x plus y is equal to matrix 4, 0, 2, 2, which implies that 2y is equal to matrix 4, 0, 2, 2, which implies that y is equal to 1 upon 2 into matrix 4, 0, 2, 2 is equal to matrix 2, 0, 1, 1. Example 3. Two farmers, Ramkishan and Gurucharan Singh, cultivates only 3 varieties of rice, namely Basmati, Parmal and Nora. The sale in rupees of these varieties of rice by both the farmers in the month of September and October are given by the following matrices A and B. September sales in rupees. A is equal to Basmati, Parmal, Nora. Matrix 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 50,000, 30,000, 10,000. Ramkishan, Gurucharan Singh. October sales in rupees. B is equal to Basmati, Parmal, Nora. Matrix 5,000, 10,000, 6,000, 20,000, 10,000, 10,000. Ramkishan, Gurucharan Singh. Number 1. Find the combined sales in September and October for each farmer in each variety. Number 2. Find the decrease in sales from September to October. Number 3. If both farmers receive 2% profit on gross sales, compute the profit for each farmer and for each variety sold in October. Solution number 1. Combined sales in September and October for each farmer in each variety is given by A plus B is equal to matrix 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 50,000, 30,000, 10,000 plus matrix 5,000, 10,000, 6,000, 20,000, 10,000, 10,000. A plus B is equal to Basmati, Parmal, Nora. Matrix 15,000, 30,000, 36,000, 70,000, 40,000, 20,000. Ramkishan, Gurucharan Singh. Number 2. Change in sales from September to October is given by A minus B is equal to matrix 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 50,000, 30,000, 10,000 minus matrix 5,000, 10,000, 6,000, 20,000, 10,000, 10,000. A minus B is equal to Basmati, Parmal, Nora. Matrix 5,000, 10,000, 24,000, 30,000, 20,000, 0. Ramkishan, Gurucharan Singh. Number 3. 2% of B is equal to 2 upon 100 into B is equal to 0.02 into B is equal to 0.02 into Basmati, Parmal, Nora. Matrix 5,000, 10,000, 6,000, 20,000, 10,000, 10,000. Ramkishan, Gurucharan Singh. Basmati, Parmal, Nora is equal to matrix 100, 200, 120, 400, 200, 200. Ramkishan, Gurucharan Singh. Thus, in October, Ramkishan receives rupees 100, rupees 200 and rupees 120 as profit in the sale of each variety of rice respectively, and Gurucharan Singh receives profit of rupees 400, rupees 200 and rupees 200 in the sale of each variety of rice respectively. Multiplication of matrices. Suppose Meera and Nadim are two friends. Meera wants to buy 2 pens and 5 storybooks, while Nadim needs 8 pens and 10 storybooks. They both go to a shop to enquire about the rates, which are quoted as follows. Pen rupees 5 each. Storybook rupees 50 each. How much money does each need to spend? Clearly, Meera needs rupees 5 into 2 plus 50 into 5, that is rupees 260, while Nadim needs 8 into 5 plus 50 into 10, that is rupees 540. In terms of matrix representation, we can write the above information as follows. Requirements: pen, book. Meera, Nadim. Matrix 2, 5, 8, 10. Price per piece in rupees. Meera, Nadim. Matrix 5, 50. Money needed in rupees. Matrix 5 into 2 plus 5 into 50. 8 into 5 plus 10 into 50 is equal to matrix 260, 540. Suppose that they enquire about the rates from another shop quoted as follows. Pen rupees 4 each. Storybook rupees 40 each. Now the money required by Meera and Nadim to make purchases will be respectively rupees 4 into 2 plus 40 into 5 is equal to rupees 208, and rupees 8 into 4 plus 10 into 40 is equal to rupees 432. Again, the above information can be represented as follows. Requirements: pen, book. Meera, Nadim. Matrix 2, 5, 8, 10. Prices per piece in rupees. Meera, Nadim. Matrix 4, 40. Money needed in rupees. Matrix 4 into 2 plus 5 into 40. 8 into 4 plus 10 into 40 is equal to matrix 208, 432. Now, the information in both the cases can be combined and expressed in terms of matrices as follows. Requirements: pen, book. Meera, Nadim. Matrix 2, 5, 8, 10. Prices per piece in rupees. 1, 2. Meera, Nadim. Matrix 5, 4, 50, 40. Money needed in rupees. 1, 2. Matrix 5 into 2 plus 5 into 50. 4 into 2 plus 40 into 5. 8 into 5 plus 10 into 50. 8 into 4 plus 10 into 40 is equal to matrix 260, 208, 540, 432. The above is an example of multiplication of matrices. We observe that for multiplication of two matrices A and B, the number of columns in A should be equal to the number of rows in B. Furthermore, for getting the elements of the product matrix, we take rows of A and columns of B, multiply them element-wise and take the sum. Formally, we define multiplication of matrices as follows. The product of two matrices A and B is defined if the number of columns of A is equal to the number of rows of B. Let A is equal to matrix Aij be an M by N matrix and B is equal to matrix Bjk be an N by P matrix. Then the product of the matrices A and B is the matrix C of order M by P. To get the ikth element Cik of the matrix C, We take the ith row of A and kth column of B. Multiply them element-wise and take the sum of all these products. In other words, if A is equal to matrix Aij m by n, B is equal to matrix Bjk n by p, then the ith row of A is matrix Ai1, Ai2 up to Aim, and the kth column of B is matrix B1k, B2k up to Bnk. Then Cik is equal to Ai1 B1k plus Ai2 B2k plus Ai3 B3k plus up to plus Aim Bnk is equal to summation j is equal to 1 to n Aij Bjk. The matrix C is equal to Cik m by p is the product of A and B. For example, if C is equal to matrix 1, minus 1, 2, 0, 3, 4 and D is equal to matrix 2, 7, minus 1, 1, 5, minus 4. Then the product CD is defined and is given by CD is equal to matrix 1, minus 1, 2, 0, 3, 4 into matrix 2, 7, minus 1, 1, 5, minus 4. This is a 2 by 2 matrix in which each entry is the sum of the products across some row of C, with the corresponding entries down some column of D. These four computations are thus: entry in first row first column, matrix 1, minus 1, 2, 0, 3, 4 into matrix 2, 7, minus 1, 1, 5, minus 4 is equal to matrix 1 into 2 plus minus 1 into minus 1 plus 2 into 5. Find the value. Entry in first row second column, matrix 1, minus 1, 2, 0, 3, 4 into matrix 2, 7, minus 1, 1, 5, minus 4 is equal to matrix 13, 1 into 7 plus minus 1 into 1 plus 2 into minus 4. Find the value. Entry in second row first column, matrix 1, minus 1, 2, 0, 3, 4 into matrix 2, 7, minus 1, 1, 5, minus 4 is equal to matrix 13, minus 2, 0 into 2 plus 3 into minus 1 plus 4 into 5. Find the value. Entry in second row second column, matrix 1, minus 1, 2, 0, 3, 4 into matrix 2, 7, minus 1, 1, 5, minus 4 is equal to matrix 13, minus 2, 17, 0 into 7 plus 3 into 1 plus 4 into minus 4. Thus, CD is equal to matrix 13, minus 2, 17, minus 13. Example 1. Compute the indicated products AB if A is equal to matrix 1, minus 2, 2, 3 and B is equal to matrix 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1. Solution. The matrix A has two columns which is equal to the number of rows of B. Hence AB is defined. Now AB is equal to matrix 1 into 1 plus minus 2 into 2. 1 into 2 plus minus 2 into 3. 1 into 3 plus minus 2 into 1. 2 into 1 plus 3 into 2. 2 into 2 plus 3 into 3. 2 into 3 plus 3 into 1 is equal to matrix 1 minus 4, 2 minus 6, 3 minus 2, 2 plus 6, 4 plus 9, 6 plus 3 is equal to matrix minus 3, minus 4, 1, 8, 13, 9. If AB is defined, then BA is not necessarily defined. In the above example, AB is defined but BA is not defined because B has 3 columns while A has only 2 and not 3 rows. If A, B are respectively M by N, K by L matrices, then both AB and BA are defined if and only if N is equal to K and L is equal to M. In particular, if both A and B are square matrices of the same order, then both AB and BA are defined. Non-commutativity of multiplication of matrices. Now, we shall see by an example that even if AB and BA are both defined, it is not necessary that AB is equal to BA. Example 2. If A is equal to matrix 1, minus 2, 3, minus 4, 2, 5 and B is equal to matrix 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 1, then find AB, BA. Show that AB is not equal to BA. Solution. Since A is a 2 by 3 matrix and B is 3 by 2 matrix, hence AB and BA are both defined and are matrices of order 2 by 2 and 3 by 3 respectively. AB is equal to matrix 1, minus 2, 3, minus 4, 2, 5 into matrix 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 1 is equal to matrix 2, minus 8 plus 6, 3, minus 10 plus 3, minus 8 plus 8 plus 10, minus 12 plus 10 plus 5 is equal to matrix 0, minus 4, 10, 3. BA is equal to matrix 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 1 into matrix 1, minus 2, 3, minus 4, 2, 5 is equal to matrix 2 minus 12, minus 4 plus 6, 6 plus 15, 4 minus 20, minus 8 plus 10, 12 plus 25, 2 minus 4, minus 4 plus 2, 6 plus 5 is equal to matrix minus 10 to 21, minus 16 to 37, minus 2, 11. Clearly, AB is not equal to BA. In the above example, both AB and BA are of different order and so AB is not equal to BA. But one may think that perhaps AB and BA could be the same if they were of the same order. But it is not so. Here we give an example to show that even if AB and BA are of same order, they may not be same. Example 3. If A is equal to matrix 1, 0, 0, minus 1 and B is equal to matrix 0, 1, 1, 0, then find AB and BA. Show that AB is not equal to BA. Solution. If A is equal to matrix 1, 0, 0, minus 1 and B is equal to matrix 0, 1, 1, 0, then AB is equal to matrix 0, 1, minus 1, 0. BA is equal to matrix 0, minus 1, 1, 0. Clearly, AB is not equal to BA. Thus, matrix multiplication is not commutative. Note, this does not mean that AB is not equal to BA. For every pair of matrices A, B for which AB and BA are defined. For instance, if A is equal to matrix 1, 0, 0, 2, B is equal to matrix 3, 0, 0, 4, then AB is equal to BA is equal to matrix 3, 0, 0, 8. Observe that multiplication of diagonal matrices of same order will be commutative. Zero matrix as the product of two non-zero matrices. We know that For real numbers a, b, if ab is equal to 0, then either a is equal to 0 or b is equal to 0. This need not be true for matrices. We will observe this through an example. Example 4. Find AB if A is equal to matrix 0, minus 1, 0, 2 and B is equal to matrix 3, 5, 0, 0. Solution. We have AB is equal to matrix 0, minus 1, 0, 2 into matrix 3, 5, 0, 0 is equal to matrix 0, 0, 0, 0. Thus, if the product of two matrices is a zero matrix, it is not necessary that one of the matrices is a zero matrix. Properties of multiplication of matrices. The multiplication of matrices possesses the following properties, which we state without proof. Number 1. The associative law. For any three matrices A, B and C, we have in bracket AB into C is equal to A into in bracket BC whenever both sides of the equality are defined. Number 2. The distributive law. For three matrices A, B and C. Number 1. A into in bracket B plus C is equal to AB plus AC. Number 2. In bracket A plus B into C is equal to AC plus BC whenever both sides of equality are defined. Number 3. The existence of multiplicative identity. For every square matrix A, there exists an identity matrix of same order such that IA is equal to AI is equal to A. Now, we shall verify these properties by examples. Example 1. If A is equal to matrix 1, 1, minus 1, 2, 0, 3, 3, minus 1, 2. B is equal to matrix 1, 3, 0, 2, minus 1, 4. And C is equal to matrix 1, 2, 3, minus 4, 2, 0, minus 2, 1. Find A into in bracket BC, in bracket AB into C and show that in bracket AB into C is equal to A into in bracket BC. Solution. We have AB is equal to matrix 1, 1, minus 1, 2, 0, 3, 3, minus 1, 2 into matrix 1, 3, 0, 2, minus 1, 4 is equal to matrix 1 plus 0 plus 1, 3 plus 2 minus 4, 2 plus 0 minus 3, 6 plus 0 plus 12, 3 plus 0 minus 2, 9 minus 2 plus 8 is equal to matrix 2, 1 minus 1, 18, 1, 15. In bracket AB into C is equal to matrix 2, 1 minus 1, 18, 1, 15 into matrix 1, 2, 3, minus 4, 2, 0, minus 2, 1 is equal to matrix 2 plus 2, 4 plus 0, 6 minus 2, minus 8 plus 1, minus 1 plus 36, minus 2 plus 0, minus 3 minus 36, 4 plus 18, 1 plus 30, 2 plus 0, 3 minus 30, minus 4 plus 15 is equal to matrix 4, 4, 4, minus 7, 35, minus 2, minus 39, 22, 31, 2, minus 27, 11. BC is equal to matrix 1, 3, 0, 2, minus 1, 4 into matrix 1, 2, 3, minus 4, 2, 0, minus 2, 1 is equal to matrix 1 plus 6, 2 plus 0, 3 minus 6, minus 4 plus 3, 0 plus 4, 0 plus 0, 0 minus 4, 0 plus 2, minus 1 plus 8, minus 2 plus 0, minus 3 minus 8, 4 plus 4 is equal to matrix 7, 2, minus 3, minus 1, 4, 0, minus 4, 2, 7, minus 2, minus 11, 8. A into in bracket BC is equal to matrix 1, 1, minus 1, 2, 0, 3, 3, minus 1, 2 into matrix 7, 2, minus 3, minus 1, 4, 0, minus 4, 2, 7, minus 2, minus 11, 8 is equal to matrix 7 plus 4 minus 7, 2 plus 0 plus 2 minus 3 minus 4 plus 11 minus 1 plus 2 minus 8, 14 plus 0 plus 21, 4 plus 0 minus 6, minus 6 plus 0 minus 33, minus 2 plus 0 plus 24, 21 minus 4 plus 14, 6 plus 0 minus 4, minus 9 plus 4 minus 22, minus 3 minus 2 plus 16 is equal to matrix 4, 4, 4, minus 7, 35, minus 2, minus 39, 22, 31, 2, minus 27, 11. Clearly, in bracket AB into C is equal to A into in bracket BC. Example 2. Find A square minus 5A plus 6I if A is equal to matrix 2, 0, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, minus 1, 0. Solution. A square is equal to A into A is equal to matrix 2, 0, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, minus 1, 0 into matrix 2, 0, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, minus 1, 0 is equal to matrix 4 plus 0 plus 1, 0 plus 0 minus 1, 2 plus 0 plus 0, 4 plus 2 plus 3, 0 plus 1 minus 3, 2 plus 3 plus 0, 2 minus 2 plus 0, 0 minus 1 plus 0, 1 minus 3 plus 0. A square is equal to matrix 5 minus 1, 2, 9 minus 2, 5, 0 minus 1 minus 2. Now, A square minus 5A plus 6I is equal to matrix 5 minus 1, 2, 9 minus 2, 5, 0 minus 1 minus 2 minus 5 into matrix 2, 0, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1 minus 1, 0 plus 6 into matrix 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 is equal to matrix 5 minus 1, 2, 9 minus 2, 5, 0 minus 1 minus 2 minus matrix 10, 0, 5, 10, 5, 15, 5 minus 5, 0 plus matrix 6, 0, 0, 0, 6, 0, 0, 0, 6 is equal to matrix 5 minus 10 plus 6 minus 1 minus 0 plus 0, 2 minus 5 plus 0, 9 minus 10 plus 0, minus 2 minus 5 plus 6, 5 minus 15 plus 0, 0 minus 5 plus 0, minus 1 plus 5 plus 0, minus 2 minus 0 plus 6 is equal to matrix 1, minus 1, minus 3, minus 1, minus 1, minus 10, minus 5, 4, 4. Transpose of a matrix. Definition 3. If A is equal to matrix Aij be an M by N matrix, then the matrix obtained by interchanging the rows and columns of A is called the transpose of A. Transpose of the matrix A is denoted by A dash or A transpose. In other words, if A is equal to matrix Aij M by N, then A dash is equal to matrix Aij N by M. For example, if A is equal to matrix 3, 5, root 3, 1, 0, minus 1 upon 5, 3 by 2, then A dash is equal to matrix 3, root 3, 0, 5, 1, minus 1 upon 5, 2 by 3. Properties of transpose of the matrices. We now state the following properties of transpose of matrices without proof. This may be verified by taking suitable examples. For any matrices A and B of suitable orders, we have number 1, A dash of dash is equal to A. Number 2, K A whole dash is equal to K A dash, where K is any constant. Number 3, A plus B whole dash is equal to A dash plus B dash. Number 4, AB whole dash is equal to B dash A dash. Example 1. If A is equal to matrix 3, root 3, 2, 4, 2, 0 and B is equal to matrix 2, minus 1, 2, 1, 2, 4. Verify that number 1, A dash of dash is equal to A. Number 2, A plus B whole dash is equal to A dash plus B dash. Number 3, KB whole dash is equal to K B dash, where K is any constant. Solution number 1. We have A is equal to matrix 3, root 3, 2, 4, 2, 0. Which implies that A dash is equal to matrix 3, 4, root 3, 2, 2, 0. Which implies that A dash of dash is equal to matrix 3, root 3, 2, 4, 2, 0 is equal to A. Thus, A dash of dash is equal to A. Number 2, we have A is equal to matrix 3, root 3, 2, 4, 2, 0. B is equal to matrix 2, minus 1, 2, 1, 2, 4, which implies that A plus B is equal to matrix 5, root 3 minus 1, 4, 5, 4, 4. Therefore, A plus B whole dash is equal to matrix 5, 5, root 3 minus 1, 4, 4, 4. Now, A dash is equal to matrix 3, 4, root 3, 2, 2, 0. B dash is equal to matrix 2, 1, minus 1, 2, 2, 4. So, A dash plus B dash is equal to matrix 5, 5, root 3 minus 1, 4, 4, 4. Thus, A plus B whole dash is equal to A dash plus B dash. Number 3, we have KB is equal to K into matrix 2 minus 1, 2, 1, 2, 4 is equal to matrix 2K minus K, 2K, K, 2K, 4K. Then, KB whole dash is equal to matrix 2K, K minus K, 2K, 2K, 4K is equal to K into matrix 2, 1, minus 1, 2, 2, 4. Thus, KB whole dash is equal to KB dash. Example 2. For the matrices A is equal to matrix 0, 1, 2 and B is equal to matrix 1, 5, 7. Verify that AB whole dash is equal to B dash A dash. Solution: we have A is equal to matrix 0, 1, 2. Therefore, A dash is equal to matrix 0, 1, 2. B is equal to matrix 1, 5, 7. Therefore, B dash is equal to matrix 1, 5, 7. AB is equal to matrix 0, 1, 2 into matrix 1, 5, 7 is equal to matrix 0, 0, 0, 1, 5, 7, 2, 10, 14. AB whole dash is equal to matrix 0, 1, 2, 0, 5, 10, 0, 7, 14. Equation 1. B dash A dash is equal to matrix 1, 5, 7 into matrix 0, 1, 2 is equal to matrix 0, 1, 2, 0, 5, 10, 0, 7, 14. Equation 2. From equations 1 and 2, clearly AB whole dash is equal to B dash A dash. Symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. Definition 4. A square matrix A is equal to matrix Aij is said to be symmetric if A dash is equal to A. That is, matrix Aij is equal to matrix Aji for all possible values of I and j. For example, A is equal to matrix root 3, 2, 3, 2, minus 1.5, minus 1, 3, minus 1, 1 is a symmetric matrix as A dash is equal to A. Definition 5. A square matrix A is equal to Aij is said to be skew symmetric matrix if A dash is equal to minus A. That is, Aji is equal to minus Aij for all possible values of I and j. Now, if we put I is equal to j, we have Aii is equal to minus Aii. Therefore, 2Aii is equal to 0 or Aii is equal to 0 for all i's. This means that all the diagonal elements of a skew symmetric matrix are 0. For example, the matrix B is equal to matrix 0 E F minus E 0 G minus F minus G 0 is a skew symmetric matrix as B dash is equal to minus B. Now we are going to prove some results of symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. Theorem 1. For any square matrix A with real number entries, A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix and A minus A dash is a skew symmetric matrix. Proof. Let B is equal to A plus A dash. Then B dash is equal to A plus A dash whole dash is equal to A dash plus A dash of A dash. As A plus B whole dash is equal to A dash plus B dash is equal to A dash plus A. As A dash of A dash is equal to A is equal to A plus A dash. As A plus B is equal to B plus A is equal to B. Therefore, B is equal to A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix. Now, let C is equal to A minus A dash. C dash is equal to A minus A dash whole dash is equal to A dash minus A dash of A dash. Because of A plus B whole dash is equal to A dash plus B dash is equal to A dash minus A. Because of A dash of A dash is equal to A is equal to minus A minus A dash is equal to minus C. Therefore, C is equal to A minus A dash is a skew symmetric matrix. Theorem 2. Any square matrix can be expressed as the sum of a symmetric and a skew symmetric matrix. Proof. Let A be a square matrix, then we can write A is equal to 1 upon 2 A plus A dash plus 1 upon 2 A minus A dash. From the theorem 1, we know that A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix and A minus A dash is a skew symmetric matrix. Since for any matrix A, Ka whole dash is equal to Ka dash, it follows that 1 upon 2 A plus A dash is symmetric matrix and 1 upon 2 A minus A dash is skew symmetric matrix. Thus, any square matrix can be expressed as the sum of a symmetric and a skew symmetric matrix. Example 1. Express the matrix A is equal to 3, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 2, 1, minus 4, minus 5, 2 as the sum of a symmetric and a skew symmetric matrix. Solution. Here suppose P is equal to 1 upon 2 A plus A dash. A is equal to matrix 3, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 2, 1, minus 4, minus 5, 2. Therefore, A dash is equal to matrix 3, minus 2, minus 4, 3, minus 2, minus 5, minus 1, 1, 2. A plus A dash is equal to matrix 3, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 2, 1, minus 4, minus 5, 2 plus matrix 3, minus 2, minus 4, 3, minus 2, minus 5, minus 1, 1, 2 is equal to matrix 6, 1, minus 5, 1, minus 4, minus 4, minus 5, minus 4, 4. P is equal to 1 upon 2 A plus A dash is equal to 1 upon 2 into matrix 6, 1, minus 5, 1, minus 4, minus 4, minus 5, minus 4, 4 is equal to matrix 3, 1 upon 2 minus 5 upon 2, 1 upon 2 minus 2, minus 2, minus 5 upon 2, minus 2, 2. P dash is equal to matrix 3, 1 upon 2 minus 5 upon 2, 1 upon 2 minus 2, minus 2, minus 5 upon 2, minus 2, 2 is equal to P. Q is equal to 1 upon 2 A minus A dash. A minus A dash is equal to matrix 3, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 2, 1, minus 4, minus 5, 2, minus matrix 3, minus 2, minus 4, 3, minus 2, minus 5, minus 1, 1, 2 is equal to matrix 0, 5, 3, minus 5, 0, 6, minus 3, minus 6, 0. Q is equal to 1 upon 2 A minus A dash is equal to 1 upon 2 into matrix 0, 5, 3, minus 5, 0, 6, minus 3, minus 6, 0 is equal to matrix 0, 5 upon 2, 3 upon 2, minus 5 upon 2, 0, 3, minus 3 upon 2, minus 3, 0. Q dash is equal to matrix 0, minus 5 upon 2, minus 3 upon 2, 5 upon 2, 0, minus 3, 3 upon 2, 3, 0 is equal to minus Q. Thus, P is equal to 1 upon 2 A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix and Q is equal to 1 upon 2 A minus A dash is a skew symmetric matrix. P plus Q is equal to 1 upon 2 A plus A dash plus 1 upon 2 A minus A dash is equal to matrix 3, 1 upon 2 minus 5 upon 2, 1 upon 2 minus 2 minus 2 minus 5 upon 2 minus 2, 2 plus matrix 0, 5 upon 2, 3 upon 2, minus 5 upon 2, 0, 3, minus 3 upon 2, minus 3, 0, is equal to matrix 3, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 2, 1, minus 4, minus 5, 2 is equal to A. Note, P plus Q is equal to 1 upon 2 A plus A dash plus 1 upon 2 A minus A dash is equal to A is done. Thus, A can be represented as the sum of a symmetric and a skew-symmetric matrix. Elementary operation or transformation of a matrix. There are 6 operations or transformations on a matrix, 3 of which are due to rows and 3 due to columns, which are known as elementary operations or transformations. Number 1. The interchange of any 2 rows or 2 columns. Symbolically, the interchange of ith and jth rows is denoted by Ri interchange Rj, and interchange of ith and jth column is denoted by Ci interchange Cj. For example, applying R1 interchange R2 to A is equal to matrix 1, 2, 1, minus 1, root 3, 1, 5, 6, 7. We get matrix minus 1, root 3, 1, 1, 2, 1, 5, 6, 7. Number 2. The multiplication of the elements of any row or column by a non-zero number. Symbolically, the multiplication of each element of the ith row by k, where k is not equal to 0, is denoted by Ri to k Ri. The corresponding column operation is denoted by Ci to k Ci. For example, applying C3 to 1 upon 7 C3, B is equal to matrix 1, 2, 1, minus 1, root 3, 1. We get matrix 1, 2, 1 upon 7, minus 1, root 3, 1 upon 7. Number 3. The addition to the elements of any row or column, the corresponding elements of any other row or column multiplied by any non-zero number. Symbolically, the addition to the elements of ith row, the corresponding elements of jth row multiplied by k is denoted by Ri to Ri plus k Rj. The corresponding column operation is denoted by Ci to Ci plus k Cj. For example, applying R2 to R2 minus 2 R1 to C is equal to matrix 1, 2, 2, minus 1. We get matrix 1, 2, 0, minus 5. Invertible matrices. Definition 6. If A is a square matrix of order M, and if there exists another square matrix B of the same order M, such that AB is equal to BA is equal to I, then B is called the inverse matrix of A, and it is denoted by A inverse. In that case, A is said to be invertible. For example, let A is equal to matrix 2, 3, 1, 2, and B is equal to matrix 2, minus 3, minus 1, 2, B2 matrices. Now, AB is equal to matrix 2, 3, 1, 2 into matrix 2, minus 3, minus 1, 2 is equal to matrix 4 minus 3, minus 6 plus 6, 2 minus 2, minus 3 plus 4 is equal to matrix 1, 0, 0, 1 is equal to I. Also, BA is equal to matrix 1, 0, 0, 1 is equal to I. Thus, B is the inverse of A. In other words, B is equal to A inverse. and A is inverse of B. That is, A is equal to B inverse. Note: number 1. A rectangular matrix does not possess inverse matrix. Since for products BA and AB to be defined and to be equal, it is necessary that matrices A and B should be square matrices of the same order. Number 2. If B is the inverse of A, then A is also the inverse of B. Theorem 3. Uniqueness of inverse. Inverse of a square matrix, if it exists, is unique. Proof. Let A is equal to matrix Aij be a square matrix of order M. If possible, let B and C be two inverses of A. We shall show that B is equal to C. Since B is the inverse of A, AB is equal to BA is equal to I. Equation 1. Since C is also the inverse of A, AC is equal to CA is equal to I. Equation 2. Thus, B is equal to BI is equal to B into AC is equal to BA into C is equal to IC is equal to C. Theorem 4. If A and B are invertible matrices of the same order, then AB whole inverse is equal to B inverse A inverse. Proof. From the definition of inverse of a matrix, we have AB into AB whole inverse is equal to I, or A inverse into AB whole inverse is equal to A inverse I, pre-multiplying both sides by A inverse, or A inverse A into B into AB whole inverse is equal to A inverse, since A inverse I is equal to A inverse, or IB into AB whole inverse is equal to A inverse, or B into AB whole inverse is equal to A inverse, or B inverse into B into AB whole inverse is equal to B inverse A inverse, or I into AB whole inverse is equal to B inverse A inverse. Hence, AB whole inverse is equal to B inverse A inverse. Inverse of a matrix by elementary operations. Let X, A and B be matrices of the same order such that X is equal to AB. In order to apply a sequence of elementary row operations on the matrix equation X is equal to AB, we will apply these row operations simultaneously on X and on the first matrix A of the product AB on right hand side. Similarly, in order to apply a sequence of elementary column operations on the matrix equation X is equal to AB, we will apply these operations simultaneously on X and on the second matrix B of the product AB on right hand side. In view of the above discussion, we conclude that if A is a matrix such that A inverse exists, then to find A inverse using elementary row operations, write A is equal to IA and apply a sequence of row operation on A is equal to IA till we get I is equal to BA. The matrix B will be the inverse of A. Similarly, if we wish to find A inverse using column operations, then write A is equal to AI and apply a sequence of column operations on A is equal to AI till we get I is equal to AB. Remark: in case after applying one or more elementary row or column operations on A is equal to IA, where A is equal to AI, if we obtain all zeros in one or more rows of the matrix A on left hand side, then A inverse does not exist. Example 1. By using elementary transformations Find the inverse of the matrix. A is equal to matrix 2, 0, minus 1, 5, 1, 0, 0, 1, 3. Solution. In order to use elementary row operations, we may write A is equal to IA. A is equal to matrix 2, 0, minus 1, 5, 1, 0, 0, 1, 3. A is equal to IA. Therefore, matrix 2, 0, minus 1, 5, 1, 0, 0, 1, 3 is equal to matrix 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 into A. Applying R12. Therefore, matrix 5, 1, 0, 2, 0, minus 1, 0, 1, 3 is equal to matrix 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1 into A. Applying R1 to R1 minus 2 R2. Therefore, matrix 1, 1, 2, 2, 0, minus 1, 0, 1, 3 is equal to matrix minus 2, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1 into A. Applying R2 to R2 minus 2 R1. Therefore, matrix 1, 1, 2, 0, minus 2, minus 5, 0, 1, 3 is equal to matrix minus 2, 1, 0, 5, minus 2, 0, 0, 0, 1 into A. Applying R2 to minus R2. Therefore, matrix 1, 1, 2, 0, 2, 5, 0, 1, 3 is equal to matrix minus 2, 1, 0, minus 5, 2, 0, 0, 0, 1 into A. Applying R2 to R2 minus R3. Therefore, matrix 1, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 3 is equal to matrix minus 2, 1, 0, minus 5, 2, minus 1, 0, 0, 1 into A. Applying R1 to R1 minus R2. Therefore, matrix 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 3 is equal to matrix 3, minus 1, 1, minus 5, 2, minus 1, 0, 0, 1 into A. Applying R3 to R3 minus R2. Therefore, matrix 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 0, 0, 1 is equal to matrix 3, minus 1, 1, minus 5, 2, minus 1, 5, minus 2, 2 into A. Applying R2 to R2 minus 2 R3. Therefore, matrix 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 is equal to matrix 3, minus 1, 1, minus 15, 6, minus 5, 5, minus 2, 2 into A. Therefore, A inverse is equal to matrix 3, minus 1, 1, minus 15, 6, minus 5, 5, minus 2, 2. Example 2. By using elementary operations, find the inverse of the matrix A is equal to matrix 6, minus 3, minus 2, 1. Solution. A is equal to matrix 6, minus 3, minus 2, 1. A is equal to IA. Therefore, matrix 6, minus 3, minus 2, 1 is equal to matrix 1, 0, 0, 1 into A. Applying R1 to R1 plus 3 R2. Therefore, matrix 0, 0, minus 2, 1 is equal to matrix 1, 3, 0, 1 into A. We have all zeros in the first row of the left hand side. matrix of the above equation. Therefore, inverse of the matrix does not exist.